the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Jeep features a sunroof, tilt wheel, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include memory seats, heated seats, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.